Hello, little adventurers! Are you ready for a wonderful story today? We're going on a grand adventure, all about a very special friend and a shiny new ride. So gather round, get comfy, and let's begin our tale. Little Timmy, small and bright, woke up one sunny morning light. A present waited, big and new. A bicycle, shiny, red and blue, with handlebars so sleek and grand. The best bike in all the land. Two wheels ready, round and fast. A joyful moment, built to last. Before we ride, his mommy said, a helmet goes upon your head, elbow pads and knee pads too, to keep you safe in all you do. Timmy nodded, quick and keen. A safer rider he would be seen. He buckled up with careful hand. The safest cyclist in the land. He hopped right on, with feet on ground, and pushed himself around and round. A little wobble, then a sway. Oh dear, he cried, I'll fall today. His daddy held the seat so tight. Just pedal, Timmy, with all your might. One foot up, then the other too. A little push, a gentle woo. He wobbled, tumbled, soft and slow. A tiny scrape, a little oh. But Timmy smiled, I'll try again. He knew that practice conquers pain. He brushed the dust from off his knee. This bike and I were meant to be. He climbed back on, with courage bold, a brave young story to unfold. Day by day, with sun and breeze, he pedaled past the leafy trees. A little fast as straight and true, his confidence, it quickly grew. No longer needing daddy's hand, he rode all by himself, so grand. The wind would whisper in his ear, You're doing great, have no more fear. Through grassy parks and winding lanes, he rode through sunshine, even rains. He saw the squirrels, quick and brown, the happiest rider in the town. He'd ring his bell, a cheerful sound, as he explored the world around. Imagination took its flight. He'd be a knight with all his might, or maybe a postman quick and spry, delivering letters way up high. His bike became a magic steed, planting joy like a tiny seed. Remember, Timmy, Mommy said, look left and right before you head, across the path or down the street. Be safe and sound from head to feet. So Timmy learned to stop and see, for cars and people wild and free. He'd signal with his little hand, the safest rider in the land. One sunny afternoon, so bright, his friend named Lucy, what a sight! With her own bike, a shiny green, the best bike riding pair ever seen. They rode together, side by side, with happy laughter far and wide, exploring paths both new and old. A friendship story, brave and bold. They'd race the shadows, long and thin, and listen to the birds begin their happy songs from branch to tree. As Timmy and Lucy rode with glee, they'd stop for snacks beneath the sun. Their biking journey, never done. Then pedal home, as day grew late. Through the garden gate, Timmy learned that trying hard is like a winning playing card. With practice, patience, and a smile, you can go the extra mile. His bike became his trusted friend. Adventures waiting without end. So if you see a child on two wheels bright, remember Timmy full of light. What a wonderful journey we had with Timmy and his bike. It just goes to show that with a little courage, a lot of practice, and always remembering to be safe, you can learn to do amazing things. Thank you so much for joining me today for this special story. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you loved our adventure, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and maybe even subscribing so you don't miss our next tale. Until next time, keep exploring and keep smiling.